Here are few self-discovery and confidence list of things for women so that they can lead a life to feel empowered, fulfilled, and truly alive. The first one is travel solo to a new place. You will explore your own self when you do this. Speak up for yourself in a challenging situation. If you don't speak for yourself or take decision for yourself, someone else will take decision for you. Thirdly, spend a day completely unplugged from the technology. You will feel very relaxed and you will be able to reset your own mind. Write a letter to your future self, which is a very awesome activity, and this will keep you motivated and it will give you a purpose on how you want to see yourself in the future, and you will start working towards it. Stand up for a cause that you truly believe in. It could be anything. It could be the child education or health of someone, or taking care of the family, or going abroad every year. It could be anything. And truly do something outside of your comfort zone. It could be like even public speaking, or doing a new sport, or join a dancing studio, or do anything that that will make you uncomfortable, but you will enjoy it when you do it. And the next seventh one is say no to feeling guilty. Without feeling guilty, I mean. So if you say yes for everything, people don't value your time. And time once spent will never come back. So what is not important to you, or if you are not getting value from someone, say no to that. Don't feel guilty about it. Wear an outfit that will make you feel very powerful. It could be a luxurious sari or a premium dress, jewelry, diamond, whatever, which will make you feel very powerful. Walk into a room with complete confidence, and even this, even if you're nervous inside, but when you walk, that itself builds so much confidence, that itself resets the entire environment for you. And celebrate your own achievements always, whether it's a small one or big one. Need not be in a big place. It could be even treating yourself with a ice cream or something that you love. Discover yourself and become more confident.